Hiya. Quick little update. It's been 18 days now since I've had the hair transplant. It's not looking too bad. I haven't seen any shedding yet. All I would say that has changed is I tried to put some jojoba oil, as I've got a bit of a dry scalp going on. But yeah, it seems like either it's the stuff that I bought. Can't see why that big, because it's pure, 100% pure oil, bio, made in France. That's where I live. But yeah, I had it on. It was sitting on my head for like 10 minutes, and it was stinging a bit, and it just got to the point where I was like, it feels like it's stinging a bit too much. So I go back into the bathroom, and all along here, I was just coming out in spots, or little bumps, I should say. So that freaked me out a bit, and washed my hair, shoved my head under water, and abandoned the whole idea of jojoba oil. So yeah, I'm just dealing with a slightly dry scalp, really. Other than that, there's not much to say. So to kind of try and get that donut area to heal, I've been using Bepanthen Sensi Calme, which is a cream that I was using when to kind of heal the tattoos. So it's just a general kind of skin healing cream. So I've been trying that, and I think it's working quite well. So I've been doing that, especially around the ears, as that's where it at first seemed the most damaged, and now it's there's pretty much no pain there at all. A tiny bit sensitive, but really not a lot. To the point where it actually felt sorer on the back, a lot more sore on the back than on the sides. So then I started using that cream on the back here. So doing a mixture of the cream, sometimes the panthenol spray, sometimes the aloe vera, and haven't quite figured out what I'm doing on the top. I'm just using either the panthenol spray on top, or I'm still using the shampoo, the Greft Plus that the clinic gave me, and once I've used all that up, I will be converting to the Sebamed anti-hair loss pH neutral shampoo, which seems to be recommended by most hair transplant clinics. So I'm just expecting the shedding to start at some point. If anything else happens, as always, I'll let you know. Laters.